Okay, so I'm gonna do this. Okay, so your girl is in her whip. Skirt. Okay, I'm gonna sit this. Wow, it's really nice. So I'm gonna sit there right there. I'm gonna play me some music because I like to listen to music when I'm driving. Put my purse over here. So I'm about to drive to the nail shop. They open at 10 and it's like 8 minutes away, and I'm supposed to be driving myself there. I feel like I could record while I'm driving, but I really don't want to do that because safety first. Should I put my seatbelt on? I get nervous, but I'm trying not to be. Because again, I'm not that experienced, but I am. And it's just, I'm experienced enough. It's just, when you learn how to drive, y'all try not to be nervous, because the more nervous you are, you make it seem, you make your reality, what you think, you make your reality. So I'm about to put, I know how to get to Brickyard. So I'm about to go to the nail shop, and once I get there, I'll get back with you. Okay, so finally here, finally at the nail shop. So I'm looking rough, but that's all right, because the girl got a wig coming in. Oh. Can y'all see me? Focus. Okay, so I'm finally at the nail shop, and your girl looking a little rough, but it's all right because your girl got a wig coming in the mail today, and your girl finna look good. Okay, so I'm at the nail shop, and I'm about to go in. I guess I'll film a little bit if they're okay with it. And yeah, so about to gather myself. I'll see y'all when I get inside. Focus, your girl is back at home. I left the nail shop, I'm back at home now. Ooh, it is hot, child. I'm low-key scared that we not wearing masks no more because it's like Rona, but I'm also like happy because it's too hot, y'all. Just hear me out. It's too hot to be trying to wear to be trying to wear a mask, period. I just spent $130-some in the nail shop for my feet and my fingers, but I'm happy with them, very happy with them. So I'm gonna let y'all see. Real cute, period. Look how they look on the wheel. You call me big purr. But yeah, I've never had my nails this long before, So that's the whole reason we be doing it. But I'm probably gonna get my nails like this all the time because I like to feel like, you know what I'm saying, like I'm doing something. But I tried to film. The person who's doing my feet let me film her, and then the guy who's doing my nails, he seemed like he would have had an attitude about it, so I ain't even bothered that. But I try to get as much footage as I can for you guys. Who child is hot? But yeah, I paid like 130 something just for my nails and feet. Like, when they say beauty is pain, it definitely is, because pain is definitely what my bank account is feeling right now. Okay, it is hurts for how much I just spent on these nails. But it's all right, because y'all, as a female, I'm not gonna say it's a necessity. At least depending on the person, for me it's a necessity. It has became a necessity for me to have my feet and nails done, because it's a part of keeping myself up. Like, for instance, if you know you a person that's single, even if you're not single, if you got a boyfriend, keep your nails and feet up to par, because what that shows a person about you, or when a guy meets you, or as you and the guy are talking and you stay with your feet and nails done, and your hair is always like, it don't have to be done or have a wig, but your head stays combed, or your hair is probably always done. If that lets him know you're a high maintenance female. That's what that does. It lets him know, okay, she keeps herself up, so for me to mess with her, I gotta be able to do that for her. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, you gotta be, you know, a high maintenance female. You gotta want to like care for yourself, and then you should just do that off the strength because you want to. It's very therapeutic, very satisfying, so that's why I do it. But also because I'm a high maintenance female, and I want a dude to know, like, when you step to me, baby, you gotta step correct. It's not always about money, but it do play a part of it. What do we think? Anyway, so yeah, y'all, so I'm about to get ready to go in the crib, and I'll see y'all later. If you guys like this video, make sure you thumbs it up, comment down below what you want to see from your girl next, and until next time, pretty gang.